colors on this map, we could go to precision, indicate a heat advisory, an excessive heat warning, or fire weather warning. And those are from the south and Midwest westward all the way to Colorado and Wyoming. And check this out, any storm system is way north. I mean, these are up in north central Canada because the upper ridge, the dome of heat in the central U.S. is so large. And this is going to settle right atop us and give us a record-breaking day tomorrow, and even Friday will be very hot. We've got another round of perhaps record-breaking heat as we get into next week as well. We'll talk more about that one here in a few minutes. But in the meantime, we'll focus on first the critical fire danger for tomorrow. You know, when you combine temperatures over 100, gusty winds to 32 miles an hour, very low dew points, and all this dry fuel, yeah, we're going to be in that pretty rare critical fire category for tomorrow afternoon. Thursday and Friday, both days for most of the viewing area will be at or above 100. We've got a couple more rounds of 100 plus, one next week and then another as we get into mid-July. July 4th looks very hot around here with the low normal rainfall trend continuing into July. Where there's more wind tonight from the southwest, it will be a little bit warmer, like the 68 at Morocco and the 67 at Remington, but less wind means 64 Atlanta and Kokomo. Tomorrow, 103 in Lafayette after 67 in the morning. 103 at Fowler as well, and that 106 at Rochester will be the all-time highest temperature for the month of June likely. Same thing at Perrysville, 104 at Crawfordsville, 103 at Kokomo, and 102 at Mount Ayr and up towards Morocco. A little cooler on Friday. There'll be a very weak front trying to slide in from the north. So it'll be kind of a partly cloudy day, 96 Rochester, 100 Lafayette, 101 Pence, 101 to Attica, and 99 at Monticello. Even though we've got a front coming in, the dew points look awfully low, and there is a lot of capping, a warm, dry layer up in the atmosphere, so I'm a little reluctant to really put any rain in the forecast. I think there will be some storms from Madison and Chicago to perhaps Angola, Fort Wayne, and Detroit on Friday. 94 Saturday. And we'll be around 94 on Sunday. Now, next week, the heat will tend to kind of build back in. So we'll be at 100 Tuesday, upper 90s Wednesday, and 101 on Thursday. So a very hot 4th of July in the forecast as we get back to 100 degrees once again, even next Friday, around 101. 7-day forecast, there's the windy, hot 103 tomorrow, and the 90s are back for the weekend before we see 100 again on Tuesday. And, of course, 4th of July, yeah, it looks hot around here, upper 90s to lower 100s. And, you know, if we would happen to get rain around here, if we can get the humidity up enough to get rid of the cap, it doesn't look widespread at all. So it's highly likely that a lot of you will not have a drop of rainfall from now through at least July 4th.
Wow. And even if we do get any rain, we need so much.
Oh, yeah, we are so far behind.